How to do camera shake effect like this. Open DaVinci Resolve. Drag the video into the timeline. Open the Effects menu by clicking the Effects button on the top left corner. Then find Open FX section, and search for camera shake and drag that on top of your clip. Select the clip, open the Inspector menu by clicking the Inspector icon on the top right corner, and click on Effects tab. Let's configure the shake effect so that it looks nice. Let's make other attributes zeros so that we can go one by one. This pan amplitude affects how much the shake going to be horizontally. The shake effect is already working horizontally. I'm going to increase the tilt amplitude as well, which affects the camera shake vertically. The camera shake looks artificial for this scene, so I'm going to reduce the PTR speed, and it looks great, but there is one problem: the black bars when shaking. To fix the issue, scroll down to blanking handling and increase the zoom to crop. The issue should be gone.